तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मामृतं गमय।
ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्ति।
असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मामृतं गमय।
ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्ति।
असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मामृतं गमय।
ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्ति।
असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मामृतं गमय।
ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्ति।
असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मामृतं गमय।
ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्ति।
असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मामृतं गमय।
ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्ति।
असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मामृतं गमय।
ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्ति।
असतो मा सद्गमय।
A very happy Teachers' Day to all my teachers. First of all, I'd like to commemorate the efforts of our teachers, who are our second parents and the guiding masters of not only our career but also our life. The job of a teacher is not limited merely to taking daily classes and completing the syllabus curriculum. Their responsibilities and duties go way above this than what we students think. So, let me take this opportunity to thank all our teachers who have been working extremely hard to teach us online in this pandemic era. Under the sole guidance of our principal ma'am, taking education to the next level on the way of digitalization, our teachers worked extremely hard for us students. So, I, the school captain, on the behalf of each and every Smithian, would like to thank our teachers from guiding us to inspiring us to motivating us and molding us into such worthy people that we can face the world very boldly. So, my gratitude to all the teachers. Thank you.
Teachers paint their minds and guide their thoughts, share their achievements and advise their faults. Inspire a love of knowledge and truth as you light the path which leads our youth. For our future brightens with each lesson you teach, each smile you lengthen, each goal you help reach. For the dawn of each poet, each philosopher and king begins with a teacher and the wisdom they bring. 5th September is the birth anniversary of a great teacher, Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, who was a staunch believer in education and was a well-known diplomat, scholar, the President of India, and above all, a teacher. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan was born on 5th September 1888 in Tirunthini to Sarvepalli Veerswamy and Sitama. He completed his primary education at KV High School at Tirunthini and high school education from War C College in Vellore. Being an outstanding student, Radhakrishnan was awarded scholarships throughout his academic life. After his first of arts class, he joined the Madras Christian College at the age of 16. He graduated from there in 1907 and finished his masters. Radhakrishnan studied philosophy by chance rather than choice, being a financially constrained student. When a cousin who graduated from the same college passed on his philosophy textbooks to Radhakrishnan, it automatically decided his academic course. His thesis was published when he was only 20. Radhakrishnan was married to Siva Kamu at the age of 14. He was an evocative teacher, exceedingly popular among his students right from his early days as a professor at Presidency College, Madras. He was offered the professorship in Calcutta University when he was less than 30 years old. He served as Vice Chancellor of Andhra University from 1931 to 1936. In 1939, he was appointed Vice Chancellor of Banaras Hindu University. For his services to education, he was knighted in 1931. However, he ceased to use the title after Indian independence, preferring instead his academic title of doctor. When India became independent in 1947, Radhakrishnan represented India at UNESCO and was later Ambassador of India to the Soviet Union. He was also elected to the Constituent Assembly of India. Radhakrishnan was elected as the first Vice President of India in 1952 and served as the second President of India from 1962 to 1967. When Radhakrishnan became the President of India, some of his students and friends requested him to allow them to celebrate his birthday on 5th September. He replied, "Instead of celebrating my birthday, it would be my proud privilege if September 5th is observed as Teachers' Day." His birthday has since been celebrated as Teachers' Day in India. A portrait of Radhakrishnan adorns the chamber of Rajya Sabha. He was nominated 16 times for the Nobel Prize in Literature and 11 times for the Nobel Peace Prize. He was awarded the Bharat Ratna, the highest civilian award in India, in 1954. He died on April 16, 1975 in India. He will not only remain in the hearts of the Indians but also be revered by the infinite generation to come. Radhakrishnan believed that teachers should be the best minds in the country. I would like to conclude with these beautiful lines by Bob Tarlett. Teaching kids to count is fine, but teaching them what counts is the best. Thank you everyone and a very happy Teachers Day to all the teachers.
मदर टेरेसा का जन्म 26 अगस्त 1910 को हुआ था। इनका नाम अग्नेस गोंजा बोया जीजू था। इनके पिता एक व्यवसायी थे जो काफ़ी धार्मिक भी थे और यीशु के अनुयायी थे। मदर टेरेसा ने अपना नाम बदलकर टेरेसा चुना क्योंकि वो अपने नाम से संत थेरेस ऑस्ट्रेलिया और टेरेसा ऑफ अविला को सम्मान देना चाहती थी। मदर टेरेसा ने अपनी स्कूल की पढ़ाई भी पूरी की। उन्होंने 18 वर्ष की उम्र में अपना घर छोड़ दिया था और सिर्फ घर ही नहीं देश भी छोड़ दिया। वो सिस्टर ऑफ लॉरेटा से जुड़ गई थी। इसके लिए वो आयरलैंड गई थी। आयरलैंड में ही उन्होंने अंग्रेज़ी सीखने के लिए मेहनत की और फिर 1920 में भारत आ गई। भारत में उन्हें गरीबों की हालत देखकर बहुत दुख होता था। सन 1946 में दार्जिलिंग रिट्रीट के दौरान उन्होंने कहा कि उन्हें भगवान का संदेश मिला है कि इस देश के सबसे गरीब लोगों की मदद करनी है। मदर टेरेसा जब सेवा के क्षेत्र में आईं तो उन्होंने अपनी ड्रेस बदलकर साड़ी कर ली ताकि वो लोगों के बीच आसानी से रह पाएँ। मदर टेरेसा ने भीख मांगकर लोगों का पेट भरा है। सन 1937 में उन्हें मदर की उपाधि से सम्मानित किया गया। मदर टेरेसा ने सन 1947 में ही भारत की नागरिकता ले ली थी। वो फर्राटे से बंगाली बोलती थी। मदर टेरेसा के बारे में अक्सर कहा जाता है कि उन्होंने कई चमत्कार किए हैं। एक फ्रांसीसी लड़की जिसने कहा था कि मदर टेरेसा के एक पदक को छूने से उसकी पसलियाँ ठीक हो गई थीं, जो कि एक कार दुर्घटना में टूट गई थीं। वहीं भारत की मोनिका बेसरा ने दावा किया था कि उनका कैंसर मदर टेरेसा के कारण ठीक हो गया था। 5 सितंबर को जब बेसरा मिशनरीज ऑफ चैरिटी में चैंपल की प्रार्थना कर रही थीं, तब उन्होंने मदर टेरेसा की एक तस्वीर से निकलने वाली एक रोशनी को देखा था। बाद में एक पदक जो मदर टेरेसा के शरीर से छू गया था, उसे बेसरा के पेट पर रखा गया। अगले दिन जब बेसरा उठी तो पाया कि उसका ट्यूमर गायब हो गया था। सन 1962 में भारत सरकार द्वारा मदर टेरेसा को पद्मश्री से सम्मानित किया गया। भारत में मानव कल्याण कार्यों हेतु उन्हें सन 1970 में शांति का नोबेल पुरस्कार दिया गया। भारत सरकार द्वारा उन्हें 1980 में भारत रत्न से भी सम्मानित किया गया था। सन 1985 में अमेरिका सरकार द्वारा मदर टेरेसा को मेडल ऑफ फ्रीडम अवार्ड दिया गया। मदर टेरेसा को कई सालों से दिल व किडनी की परेशानी थी। हार्ट अटैक के कारण 5 सितंबर 1997 के दिन मदर टेरेसा की मृत्यु हुई। उनकी राजकीय सम्मान के साथ अंत्येष्टि हुई थी। मदर टेरेसा ने एक बात कही थी जो मेरे दिल को छू गई। उन्होंने कहा था कि यदि जो जीवन जो दूसरों के लिए नहीं जिया गया तो वो जीवन नहीं है। धन्यवाद।